The Drug Reduction, Elimination and Action Mission, or DREAM, today convened a meeting with faith leaders at the State Convention Centre, Shillong, to strategize against drug abuse. Social Welfare Minister Paul Lyngdoh emphasized the importance of faith-based institutions in raising awareness and providing community-driven solutions. The meeting emphasized key initiatives discussions which include early prevention programs, interventions in hotspot areas with law enforcement, and collaboration with NGOs for detox services. Faith organizations will also play a role in post-rehabilitation support, including skill training and counseling. The government has allocated Rs 50 lakh for collaborative efforts with additional funds available based on emerging needs.
We have reached out to faith leaders and not just addressed them, we have given them a format by which they can apply for support, both financial as well as technical, and we have a proactive mission director who has been traveling across the length and breadth of Meghalaya, also traveled to Kerala to familiarize himself with the situation. So we are absolutely proactive.